Angeles City was mentioned during the investigation last week, and the city of Angeles was mentioned by Mayor of Purak, Kapil pala, which is absent today. And Mr. Chairman, before I forgot, let me again, it's not correct that the excuse letter of Mayor Kapil is all about the annual festa. It's not the annual festa of ano baka preparation yon. So in the next hearing, he must be present and he must explain why should that be cited in contempt. Now, Mayor, kasi ang property daw doon is some portion of that property going inside that Pogo place is for Angeles. But most of the roads now going inside the Pogo is Purak. Do you confirm this?
Mr. Chairman, magandang hapon po at komite, magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. If you would allow us, Mr. Chairman, to make a very, very brief presentation po in regards of the road network leading to going to Porac. Bakit po nasa Angeles po siya? If you would allow us and allow Engineer Kito to make a very, very, about 5 minutes or so presentation lang po. Hindi po siya.
Sige po, para makita natin, Mayor, yung, kasi pinagtalunan namin nung last hearing yan eh.
Apo.
Hindi namin maintindihan. Actually, binivisualize namin, pero hindi namin masyadong ma-visualize. With your presentation, maybe we will be equipped now with the proper information. Go ahead. Tech.
Mr. Chair.
Technical.
Mr. Chair, probably later we can provide you with the maps with the area po para po
Yung ba sa
maintindihan.
presentation mo, walang maps, Mayor?
Meron na pong map para po meron po kayong kopya ng mga mapa.
No, it's okay.
po
We will try to see it on the monitor. Sige, go ahead. Yes, for the meantime, while we are preparing for the for that USB, yeah, DFA.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. I just wish to clarify two things, no? I forgot to mention that we also issue student visas. So
Okay,
student visas
yes.
are also issued outside
Yeah.
in our embassies and consulates. But there are two modalities, no, by which student visas may be issued. So
Okay.
one is student visas outright. The second pathway is through the issuance of 9A temporary visitors visas, which can be converted upon arrival here.
Arrival. Yes,
Aha.
correct.
I just
Thank you.
wanted to clarify
Yeah.
that.
So
And
dagdag
that's-
yun, student visa. From the many lines of agencies that can issue visa. Oh, okay. While waiting, ready na po ba? Hindi pa. So, tanungin ko muna PSA, while waiting. So, wala pa eh.
Ay, ituloy ko lang muna ang tanong ko habang
Sige.
inanda. Eh mamaya, ubusin mo naman yung oras ng mga members dito. Anyway, let me proceed, Mr. Chairman. Anyway, Mayor, ito na lang po, before you present that video. First, Mayor, is this property is with the local government of Angeles City?
The road going to the property belongs to the city of, does not belong to the city of Angeles, but rather it's a private property owned by several companies. One for which is the Cruz siblings. And then after that po, yung mga Nepomuceno, si Avelin Nepomuceno. And then again, it will go again to the Cruz family again.
Okay. So, Mayor, the roads going to Purak was donated na.
Hindi pa po siya
In favor.
donated up to today.
Hindi pa donated, Chairman. Now, eto ngayon, Mayor, I hope this will be clear now. So, the road from Angeles going to Purak is still a private property.
Still a private property po
So,
up to today.
in short, the maintenance and everything is being shouldered by the private owner.
Opo. Opo.
Until now.
Opo.
Okay. So, can we, of course, hindi mo rin you cannot conclude, but can we say that the property at the boundary of Angeles going to Purak, the roads there is still private also?
The roads there po are all private as far as we know, which is in the Angeles City boundary, because there's a small subdivision after pagdating po sa Porac, a very small subdivision, which is also owned by the Cruz family.
Okay. So,
Chairman Paduano, briefly lang kasi parang ano lang ako, ma-inform lang ako. Sandali. So, yung papunta ng Pogo sa Mabalacat, yung daan na yon, it's all
Porac po.
papunta ng Porac, it's all private properties.
Opo, it's all private properties.
So control nila yung pagpasok doon, and even the mayor of Porac, doon din siya pumapasok sa area yon, yung private property na yon.
Hindi ko lang po
Hindi, kasi
alam.
walang access doon sa Porac Pogo, kundi sinasabi niya dumadaan sila sa Angeles eh.
Hindi ko lang po alam kung may access po
No,
sila.
wala nga access because
doon po sila
he
dumadaan.
mentioned it in the hearing that doon siya dumadaan sa Angeles.
Opo, doon po sila
So in other
dumadaan.
words, walang access yung Porac government sa mismong kinalalagyan ng kanilang Pogo unless dadaan sila sa Angeles.
Opo.
Okay. Congressman Paduano.
thank you, Chairman. Mayor, so when was the road constructed? Pag-usapan na muna natin yung yung Angeles na na portion.
Based po on record namin, based po sa Google, sa GIS namin, nung 2003, doon po existing na po yung road. Pero based on record, I think 1995, 1993, 1995 po, nung nag-start ata yung partial construction po ng roads. So, hindi po ako sure kung what year specific. We're still researching po kung anong year po yung road na nag-umpisa.
So anyway, until now that is a private road, and paano po yung maintenance?
Sa kanila po yun, hindi
Until
po
now.
up to today po.
Okay. So again, we cannot make conclusion because the Mayor Calpil is not present. And Mr. Chairman, before I forgot, Mr. Chairman, before I forgot, I respectfully move, Mr. Chairman, to invite the property owner of this. Oh, Sanja,
We did already the owner of the...
is the owner present?
No. I mean, we have invited, it was manifested a while ago that we invited the Cruz brothers.
Just today.
Yes, just
Okay,
today.
thank you. Anyway, so Mayor, if the property was developed since 1993 up to the present, wala ba kayong ano ba to, Mayor pala? 4 lanes, 2 lanes?
Some portion po is 4 lanes, meaning 2 lanes po papunta, 2 lanes po pabalik, and some portion po 2 lanes lang po siya.
2 lanes lang. So, sementado po.
Sementado po siya.
Well maintained.
Well maintained po as far as we know. Mini-maintain po ng may-ari, pero sementado pa rin po siya.
Okay. So Mr. Chairman, again, no, we cannot ask questions to the owner at the same time to Mayor Calpil kasi ang focus talaga ng investigation is yung Porac property, and the mayor now has said his piece na indeed the original owner until now, it is still a private property being owned by most of the properties being owned by Corpus. And Mayor, wala ba kayong move to ask for the property owners to donate it to Angeles City?
Basically po, as for what we did the last couple of years, nag-tax mapping po kami doon, and we recognize po na yung property yon na yung property yon ano pa? Sure. Yung
Are you going to present something, Mayor? Sabi meron tayong present. Ready na ba?
Opo, pwede na po yung presentation.
Congressman Paduano. So, let's see muna yung presentation nila. Sige, technical. Pwede po kayo magsalita, Mayor, while it's being presented para we can understand fully.
Chairman, it's Engineer Nilda who will...
Engineer, you are recognized.
Thank you po. To the Honorable Chairman and members of the Committee on Public Order and Safety and the Committee on Peace and Amusement, good afternoon po. I am Engineer Neil Daquito of the City Planning and Development Office. I will be presenting the following maps related po dun sa reported road access within Angeles City leading to the Pogo site in Porac.
Ano bang nag-aayos ng technical? Saan ba? Bilisan lang, please. Alas 5 na. Wala tayong dinner. Wala na. Go ahead, please. Ayan na. Go ahead.
So as shown in the map, yung pong yellow po, ito po yung side ng Angeles. So yung boundary po, yun pong line po na yellow. So Angeles po siya. And then, so yun pong sa ilalim, yung pong Municipality of Porac, of which yung Pogo site po, yun pong
Go ahead.
yung Pogo site po, yung pong
Yan.
nakabilog po, which is Municipality of Porac na siya outside Angeles City. Then, as you can see po, next. So, yun po ang road in question po. Yun po road access in question. So, based on the historical imagery sa Google Earth 2003, nag-exist na po siya. So, may approximate length po siya from Friendship Highway, Angeles City, up to the boundary of Angeles City and Porac, mga approximately 727 meters lang. Next po. And based on records sa Angeles City Assessor's Office, the access road is not property of the Angeles City. The road is private property owned by different individuals. Meron pong road na owned by Ronald Cruz et al. Yun po siya. Then may road po na owned by Cruzwood Industries.
Sino pagawa niyan? Kung 2003 pa yan. Nung road na yun.
As po, mayroon po
Kanya-kanya silang
hawak.
pagawa?
Yung
Kasi-
pong, I think sir, yung mga Cruz po.
Ang
Yung
nagpagawa
Cruz-
ng lahat ng yun.
Cruzwood
Ah,
po,
sige.
yes po. And meron ding
Consolidated
portion ng
yun.
road lot na owned by Abigail Nepomuceno. So the road also serves as the right-of-way of the different private properties to provide access po doon po sa adjacent properties and surrounding industries in the area. So yun pong slide po yan is the tax map from the assessor's office. Then yun pong, we have a sample of the title po wherein naka-annotate po dyan na it's a road right-of-way po na going to the Royal Garden Golf and Country Club and other properties po located in the municipality.
That's it.
Po. Thank
Okay.
you po.
Okay.
Chairman.
Sige. Go ahead.
Okay, ano na, Chairman? So, mas malaking portion, mas mahaba yung portion ng Porac kumpara mo sa road. I'm talking about the road. Mas mahaba compare mo sa Angeles.
Yes
Tama?
po. Ang sa Angeles po hanggang sa boundary is
Mga ilang-
727
Okay,
meters lang po.
727. From the point of entry to the end point, ano na ba ngayon develop na ba yan? May mga business establishments? I'm asking about the Angeles.
About Angeles, yes po sir. Meron pong mga industries dyan. Merong mayroong hotel, mayroong Grand Palacio Royal, is a
okay,
function
ang
room.
assessors ba nandito?
Then
Kasi
mayroong
ganito,
hotel.
Chairman. Gusto ko lang, okay ma'am, gusto ko lang kasi in all investigation that we have made, no, doon sa public account sa committee ko po, may mga problema lagi yung question ng reclassification, yung processes na ginawa. Kaya I am interested, Mr. Chairman, to check whether that particular property of the cruise, and that includes the Pogo sites. What is the original status of such land? Ano ba yan? Agricultural? Under Carpabulans?
Some portion po are industrial. Yung
No, Mayor. I'm talking about the history of that land. Kasi yung pag industrial, of course, that goes through reclassification ng city. But, Mayor, you have to check na kasi, anyway, this is the part of the POGO investigation. But I'm interested with PORAC. But of course, Mayor, just heads up lang po kasi